Hello and welcome to module 1 of HTML. In this session, we will be learning structure of web page and basic HTML document structure and implementation of a simple code. So let's start. First up is structure of web pages. Now, every programming language has a particular structure to be followed. Likewise, HTML also has a particular structure to be followed, right? So this HTML document has a structure starting with the doc type. Now, as the name indicates, doc type means document type. Which type of document it is? For example, our HTML document is HTML, right? So what we'll write doc type HTML. So doc type indicates what type of document it is. Next is HTML. Now, one thing to remember is every tags in HTML would have one opening tag and one closing tag. Okay. So HTML indicates an HTML tag start the whole document and ends with also the HTML tag. Okay, the entire code is enclosed into the HTML tag as well. Okay, next is head. Now in head stores very important documents, that is important information of the whole web pages. For example, meta tags, links, and other types of important things are stored into the head tag. So head is a brain of an whole website. Okay. Next is title. Now title is the name of a page, right? For example, it's google.com. So what we see on the browser window upper side, we see google.com. For example, let's go to browser and let's see. So this is the browser window. Let's type google.com or any other website you can take. I'm just typing google.com. See, now you can see here the name of a page is Google. Or we say, for example, if I take the example of Rishi Computers. See, now what is the name of my website is Top Computer Coaching Institute. This name is stored into which tag? Title tag. Okay, let's go back to the PPT. So title, we have seen about title. Now let's go to body. Now body contains the entire, what we can say, entire document or entire structure of a web pages. Whatever you can see on the web page is stored into the body. For example, paragraph, head tag, images, videos, audios, whatever thing you can see in the web pages is written into the body code. Okay. Now, as we have seen structure of web pages, let's go and see some coding. Now, before coding, first we'll see the flow of a document, right? We have seen whatever tags we use while defining the HTML tag. Now, what is the flow of that tag? So, let's see. First comes a doc type HTML, as I told you, because it indicates what type of document it is. Next is opening of HTML tag, which is open at the first and which end at the last. Next is head, in which we write the title code. Now, right? Title. Now, my page or my website will be referred as page title in the above. Then closing of head tag. Then opening of body tag. Then now, as I said, in body we can store head, title, head, paragraph, images, video, audio. For example, now I am taking head and a paragraph. Okay. Then closing of body, and then at last we'll close HTML tag. Okay. So this is a basic flow of an document or a code. Okay. Now let's go to the editor and let's see how the code, how to write the code and run the code. So this is a text editor, that is I am using Sublime text editor. You can use any editor, that is Notepad, Note++, or any other editor. Okay. So first we have to save this document with .html extension. So let's do it. So go to file, save. Now I'll go to my directory, my folder, and I'll create a new folder to store all the HTML documents into the one particular place. So I'll name it HTML. This is my first program. So I'll write first program. You can give any name to your file, but you have to give .html extension. Okay. then save. Okay, so my file is saved. Okay, now the first step is doc type HTML, right? So we'll just do this doc. Okay. Next was HTML opening tag. Now in Sublime, we have a feature. If you write directly HTML and press enter, the whole basic structure is displayed to your screen. So there is no need to write 100 times the same structure. We just have to do write HTML and then press enter. So this is the first program. So I'll just go with the flow. From next time, we'll just type HTML and get the particular structure only. So let's go. After that, what comes is head tag. Then comes title tag. Now I'll give the title to my document is first program. Just write first program. Then title tag close. Then head tag close. Then will come body tag, in which we will write heading tag. Now heading tag is represented by H1, H2, H3, H4 and H6. Okay, it has 6 type of headings. We'll see these types, all headings and paragraphs and all other tags into the future lecture. For now, just remember heading tag is represented by H1. Okay, I'll just write H1 and I'll just say welcome to session. Heading tag close, paragraph open, bold. Just close the paragraph tag as well. Then what comes is closing of body tag, and at last closing of HTML tag. After that, we'll just save the document. That is save, and we'll open it to the browser. Okay, so right click and open in browser. So as you can see here, welcome to section and hello world. So this is the heading and this is the hello world program. So this is how we write a code, and this what type of web pages can be seen. Okay. So today we saw the structure of web page, what is use of each and every tag, and one code implementation. Thank you.